Hello and welcome to this Lumion tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly and efficiently render scenes like this in Lumion. This is a scene I modeled using 3ds Max, which is my favorite software for 3D modeling, but if you use different software for 3D modeling, that's okay. Before proceeding, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel to help my channel grow. Thank you. The first thing I like to do is go to photo mode and set my preferred views. Doing this at the beginning helps you to focus on what is visible to the camera. It is better to spend time perfecting what is going to show in the final render than what won't show. Now that all the views that I want are ready, it's time to apply materials. I will start with the floor, and load textures that I have already sorted out for this scene with their maps. When creating materials, you don't have to always load a diffuse texture. You can use a diffuse texture, or you can set a base color and use a normal map and roughness map to add details. You can also use a displacement map if you want. In this case, that's what I did with the walls and other objects in the scene. I set a base color and I used normal and roughness maps to add details. I will apply textures to the kitchen and dining area as well. Now that I'm done with all the materials, I will add some objects from the Lumion library to the scene. I will grow hedge on the courtyard walls and add some plants. I will add some trees on the outside of the building for the window view. I will add some artificial lights and adjust its intensity and color. Now I am done with everything and I am happy with how things look, so I will add some effects and render the final image. Since this is an interior scene, I added the interior RT effects and the real skies effects and imported an overcast HDRI map that I downloaded and I tweaked to match this particular scene. I copied the effects to the other views and adjusted it accordingly. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.